Welcome to another video, and in this one we're going to show you how to publish your books to KDP. If you are a subscriber of ours and you're already doing Kindle publishing and stuff like that, this video might not be the most information packed because you probably know how to publish a book, but there's still gonna be good shit along the way. There's definitely gonna be golden nuggets, little nuggets. So totally gonna be worth information. Plus, I'm gonna be showing one of my many successful books that I've had. Ones that made me thousands of dollars. It's worth watching just for that. Yeah, it honestly is worth watching just for that, so you can see what one of my books looks like. Yeah, super good cover, good everything. You get to see it in this video. You get to see one of his best books. Yeah, intro. All right. Okay. Anywho, there was no point to that whatsoever. Yeah. So here's what you're gonna do. This is the KDP homepage. This is where you're gonna start your whole publishing process. Yeah. What you're gonna do, you're under the bookshelf tab. Click create a new title under Kindle Ebook. Ooh. Let it load. God, I've been on this page a million bajillion times in my life. Uploaded hundreds of books. Damn. So language English. Always. So the first thing is book title. So for this video, I'm gonna use an old book that I published back in December, so like 6-7 months ago, and I'm just gonna put everything in there. And you guys get to see this book. This was a book that did awesome. It had multiple months where it did over 50 paperback sales, over $500 a month. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it had a $1,000 month too. This is one book. Yeah, this one book. This book. And you're about to freaking see it. Yeah, straight up. Straight up, just gonna show you guys what it was. All right, so here it is. Are you ready for the book title? If you didn't already see it. Bam. Gastric Sleeve Cookbook and Bariatric Surgery Recovery Guide. Yeah, so a lot of people ask me or us about cookbooks. Yeah. And so, for some reason, cookbooks have this bad reputation that they don't make money, they don't this or that. Like, cookbooks are fucking lit, fam. I like cookbooks, Cookbooks are lit, fam. Seriously. Right, fam? Fam, yes. Fam, yes. So that is the book title, Gastric Sleeve Cookbook and Bariatric Surgery Recovery Guide. With that said, if you're watching this video, you're wondering, well, how the fuck do I write a book title? We made a video about it. How to write the most incredible book titles. Link probably up there somewhere and in the description. Yeah. We just don't have time to talk about it in the video. Yeah, exactly. But it's all there. Just go click on the link. All the information you need to create the best book title, description, all that shit will be somewhere on our channel. So it won't be in this video. Otherwise, the video would be literally over an hour long. Yeah. So, but we will link to all other videos that explain everything. Yeah. So then you have your main title, you have your subtitle. So I'm put down the subtitle. But what I do, this is just what I do. This is from what I've heard is like the book title weighs your keywords or ranks your keywords better than the subtitle would. So I just go like this. Is it true or not? We're not. Don't know. Sure. No clue. But that's what I do. Okay. So I don't even put anything in subtitle. I just put everything in the main book title section. Okay. So then the subtitle I came up with was 100 healthy and delicious recipes for each stage of your recovery from weight loss surgery. Got a bunch of keywords in there. Sounds good. That's all you need. Yeah. Right? All right. So the next thing is series. Now, most books you make won't be a series, but I still put in some keywords just in case that the Amazon algorithm somehow ranks it. Right? So it could make a difference. It doesn't show up anywhere. It's just some metadata with some more juicy keywords in it. That's right. So edition number, that I never put in. Yeah. I don't know what that really means even. Author, my author name was, hey, how did you think of that author name? Hey, we have a video about it. Hey. Okay. Yeah. So that's linked up there / down there. Yeah. This is the only book that I have under this pen name. People also say shit like that. Like, oh, you got to create a brand. You got to put a bunch of books under one pen name. This lady has one book. That's not necessary. That's not necessary. You could shotgun with pen names and shit. Oh, would you like that? We have a video about that too. Oh my god. Link up there around somewhere. Heather Moore has one book and still people buy the shit out of her books. Her being me. Out of her book. Yeah. Alright, contributors, there's nothing more. Unless it's a bundle. If it's a bundle, then you would put the other author names. Yeah. Alright, so for the description,
Once again, we have a video about how to write the best description.
Yeah.
And like
that's big.
It's
a good video.
Yeah, description is hella important.
So this description doesn't contain everything that we teach.
Yeah,
there's a lot more to
we came up with.
Yeah.
But yeah, without all the extra little goodies that we like to add as well, just to increase conversions.
So don't go off of this like description as if that's what you should do. Watch that video to find out how you should make your description.
Yeah.
And then we would add tags and shit.
But yeah, that's in another video. Publishing rights. Click that. Nothing more to say there.
Yeah.
Keywords.
Back in keywords. How can you know what to do with that?
Oh, dude, we did a video about it.
We have a video about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's another video about this. Link up top and down below.
We're just gonna fill in these keywords real quick. We either fast forward or we're gonna straight up just fucking teleport to it. All right, now we got the keywords in here. Okay. So this is not optimized or anything. Again, watch the video to figure it out. We just kind of filled it out real quick, you know? So
next step, categories. If people have been asking for a video about how to use categories, I don't think it's like that much to say. We could briefly talk about it here. Like I could cover it all.
We should make a video about it.
Okay, but I feel like I could cover all of it here. So for categories, I know there's kind of like two strategies. The one we like to do is choose the most relevant categories to your book.
Yeah.
A lot of people also like to choose a category where you know you can get the bestsellers tag in. So you get that bestsellers tag, which is cool, but it really does fuck with your ranking for the keywords that you want.
Like your visibility.
Yeah, it really does.
The tag looks cool.
Yeah, and I have like a little anecdote about exactly that. So I had a book that was doing really well, maybe doing like $500 a month. And it had the bestsellers tag because I put in some random bullshit category that had nothing to do with it. And then I thought, okay. No, then what happened is it got down to number 2. So at that point, I didn't have the bestsellers tag and I was in an irrelevant category. So, okay, fuck. Now I might as well change it back to like something that's actually relevant to the book. So I did, and holy shit, overnight, my sales at least doubled. Like I'm telling you, they at least doubled. I'm not saying that's going to happen to you. But it did for this book. So it was a weight loss book.
I can't vouch for this. I've never had this experience.
Yeah, I'm just saying this happened with one of my books.
You make of it what you will.
Yeah, it was a weight loss book, and it was doing well. And then I actually put it into 2 categories, in particular, like the diet and nutrition, and then some weight loss one. And before it was in some random like pottery bullshit category. Overnight, it's ranked for like my main keyword and started selling at least twice as much. I'm just saying that happened for this one book, is all I'm saying.
Now let's get back to
Not saying that's going to happen. Yeah. So you're going to want to choose the most relevant categories.
So what you should do, at least, is choose 2 different categories. Like not subcategories, but 2 different of the main categories. Yeah. So that there's like more reach.
Yeah. So
if that makes sense. If it's everyone. So it goes in a cooking one, this book, and a health one.
Yeah, in this case, yeah.
So not just both 2 cooking categories. So then it's more places.
Exactly. You get what we mean, right?
Yeah.
So these are the main categories. Choose different ones. So we're gonna do one in cooking, and then one in health and fitness. So let's choose the cooking one first.
Just the most relevant. So this is gastric sleeve.
Like just use your own intuition at this point.
Just do health and healing.
Yeah, I feel like because it's about that.
Weight loss. Weight control.
Weight control. Boom. This is the one that I use for my other books. So for any weight loss books, I really like this one, weight control.
Yeah. And I've had a lot of health and fitness books, so I know that. Health and fitness, no, it's not diet and nutrition related. It is weight loss related, not diet.
That's the other one I like to use.
So, but probably this one. Yeah. And weight loss.
These are the two categories that I like to use for weight loss books.
For this book, these would be the 2 most relevant ones in different categories. Exactly. And now we're ready to move on. You scroll down. Age range, nothing here.
Nothing to touch here. Just scroll on to the next.
Even if you're doing romance, you don't have to touch it.
Yeah.
They'll do it for you.
And we've never done a pre-order for a book, so I'm ready to release it now.
Yep. So
all right, that was the first page.
First page done.
Boom. So the next thing you're gonna want to do,
digital rights management. People always ask me, and I don't have an answer. Yes or no. It doesn't fucking matter. Okay.
In my experience, it don't change.
Sometimes
shit.
I do yes. Sometimes I do. It depends what mood I'm in. If I'm a yes or a no mood. Yeah. Right. So let's do no this time.
Yeah.
All right. So now so the next thing is upload your ebook manuscript, which it says here all the formats you can do it in.
We always do Word documents, right?
Yeah, we just do Word documents. Make sure it's formatted and everything. We're not gonna talk about in this video, otherwise this would get way too long. All right. So now the manuscript is uploading, currently processing. So I would also name the file of your manuscript like the keyword that you want to target. Because I know like Google does that. Google will index your file names for keywords, and maybe Amazon does the same. So
Okay,
you might
it's
as
the
well.
same thing. We don't know for sure. But
Yeah,
you might
we don't
as
know.
well.
This is all.
You fucking might as well.
Yeah, all of it is fucking rumors and shit. So there's your manuscript. The next one, go to your ebook cover. You could create your own, but no, it turns out like garbage. Get a cover made. We have a video about how to get the best cover made.
For $5.
Yeah.
Like pro as shit.
Some people have literally paid hundreds of dollars for a book cover because they don't know what they're doing. Okay, so here's where you upload your book cover.
This uploading takes a little bit of time sometimes.
Does it normally take this long?
Yeah, sometimes.
Fucking upload already. For fuck's sakes. Might as well respond to the little sister. Family is currently visiting in Hawaii. Oh, okay, there we go.
Finally.
That took fucking forever.
Yeah.
So, manuscript is completely uploaded. I guess the cover is still processing, so we gotta wait a little longer. Success of my book has so much to do with how fucking beautiful this cover is. This cover is phenomenal.
Like, your cover is so freaking important. You know?
Yeah, so what you could do next, you could either continue, which is what we normally do because we've done it so many times, or you could do a launch previewer so that you can see what it looks like.
Just to make sure that
like what it looks like as a Kindle
there's
book.
not some indent that's completely fucking up the whole book.
Yeah.
And like the spacing is weird and all that. So just
and I'm sure you just want to preview it.
Yeah.
If it's your first book,
you want to look at your work, be proud of what you made, you know?
Now we just gotta wait some more. Oh yeah, here now you can see the cover. Phenomenal cover. Look at this.
Ain't she
Gastric
pretty?
sleeve cookbook, bariatric recovery guide, 4-stage recovery diet plan, do's and don'ts of bariatric recovery. I mean, I didn't design this. I came up with it. I found the pictures. I came up with the theme. But honestly,
link in the description
to that video.
How you can get a cover made
Yeah.
this good for $5.
Yeah, you know what? Even the designer that made this
Yeah.
is in that video.
So
He doesn't talk in the video, but I tell you how to contact him.
yeah.
Okay? I'll show you exactly how to do it. Boom, boom. This is what it looks like on the inside. Written by Heather Moore. Table of contents. This book is super high quality. It is so good. Like, it has so many pictures. It's a guide, and it's 30,000 words long. So it has a bunch of pictures. It's just amazing. And
so it looks good.
Yeah. Everything looks good.
We checked it.
Yeah. Now let's get back to the next step. Yeah, everything. Boom, boom, boom. Now on to the last page.
Oh, ISBN, leave it blank.
Yeah, that's not for this.
Yeah. So we're gonna want to start with when you're first publishing your book, because you want to do the 5-day free promo. You're gonna want to enroll in KDP Select.
Yes.
It's temporary, and we talked about it in another video.
Let's link that video as well. Yeah. It's our whole publishing process. Yeah. Okay. So it's everything you're gonna do after you publish a book, which is super, super, super important. That's what decides the success of your book. What you do afterwards.
Yeah. So all territories, yes, check that one. It's already checked. And then because we're launching at 99 cents, as we teach in the publishing strategy video, you have to check 35%.
Yeah, we want 70, of course, but otherwise it has to be at least $2.99.
Yeah.
So 99 cents.
And that's all you're gonna want to do there. Enroll in.
Oh wait, let's say one last thing. I mean, eventually you're gonna go to the 70%.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm looking at this camera. I fucking thought that's where the camera's from. It's right there. There's another camera set up. Okay, sorry. Just watch the publishing process video. It explains everything. So I don't need to say it now.
Next out here, Matchbook. Enroll
yes,
my book.
This is important. Yes, you have to do this.
So, and for free. So
you'll see why in the description video why you have to.
Okay. Yeah, so all this means is that if they buy the paperback book, they get the ebook for free. To them, that's like, it looks like a super value offer. You know? And we're just getting more, we're trying to get people to fuck the ebooks. We want them to buy the paperback books. So this is just a higher converter for that.
Yes, absolutely.
Book lending, I don't think we ever
allow it. Yeah.
No, I uncheck. I don't check it.
I think I do. Again, it depends what mood you're in. If you're in mood to lend it, sure. If not,
I don't think I ever lend it.
It's just like some rule stuff. Like, it doesn't actually change anything.
Yeah.
All right. So you click or unclick that, and this account isn't filled out yet, so I can't publish it.
But you click here,
publish your Kindle ebook, and you're done.
That's it.
You just published your first. Well, if it is your first, your whatever, Kindle ebook.
There it is.
You're on to something good. You're on to something good. If you're doing Kindle publishing, you're on the right track, right?
I mean, get back more. Oh yeah.
There's not more to say, really. That's the whole process. I think this was a good video. Especially for people who aren't in Kindle publishing yet.
Certainly.
Check out our other videos. There's a lot of good shit. You can make a lot of money selling books online.
Yeah.
Twins out. Wrong spike.